Hi guys, if you're curious and want to know what I'm using banana leaves for, watch the full video. Today guys, I'm going to show you how I do my Moimoi Olele wrapped in banana leaves. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now to view more delectable and culinary creations guys. Jestina's Kitchen welcome you on board. Relax and watch the full video of how I do Moimoi Olele the natural and local way. We're now going towards the banana trees. We're gonna cut some leaves that we're gonna use for the olele. This is the tree, this is the banana tree. This is where banana comes from. The fruit itself, we're gonna cut leaves from the banana, ones that are not broken, that we can use to do the olele. Guys, as you can observe, the banana leaves are covered in a significant amount of dust. The first step is we're gonna hit the leaves over the coal pot for it to get withered. As you can see, I'm doing it slowly, hitting it on the coal pot like that, the whole leaf until it's completely withered, and then we're gonna put it aside. I'm almost done with the heating of the banana leaves. I think we have like about 10 leaves.
Hi guys, we are helping our auntie Jestina to make natural and traditional Moimoi Olele.
We're now cutting the leaves, as you can see what I'm doing right now. We're cutting all the leaves from the stem. After cutting all the leaves from the stem, then we get on to the next stage. We are currently in the process of thoroughly washing the leaves multiple times until they are sufficiently clean. I don't want the banana leaves to break, that's why I put them on the fire first so they will get withered, and then wash them clean because they are very dusty with sand and all that, and we don't want sand or dust in our food. So we're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna dry them later on. We're gonna change the water gradually, and then last we're gonna wash them one more time. We are now done with the washing of the leaves, and I am currently wiping and drying the leaves with a towel. A clean towel or a paper towel would do. Wipe them dry, very dry, that there is no water on it before using them. I'm almost done with the wiping off the leaves, and now we're getting on to the next stage, which is the beans. The black eye beans, it has already been processed, and if you're interested of learning how to clean the beans, it's in one of my previous videos in YouTube on how to do akara. Then you can see how I did the cleaning of the beans. Wow, here is the challenges, guys, in manually grinding the beans using the traditional local method. This is the best method ever. This is how we were taught to do it when we were young, which is the most healthy way to do it. It takes time, but you will gradually get there. We're almost there, guys, gradually. The texture has been improved to provide a smooth and finely ground consistency. Now we get on to the next stage, which is adding some sea salt. The eggplant and bitter tomato I'm using are organically grown and handpicked from our garden. Look how beautiful they look, fresh, healthy. Look at the bitter tomatoes also. Now we have already chopped them and then add them into the grounded beans. That's the bitter tomato first. We mix it up. We're doing 1 kilogram of black eye beans. Mix it, and then we add in the chopped onions with the eggplant. You can add as much as you want to, it's up to you. If you don't want in eggplant or bitter tomato, you don't need to add it in. We've added all that, and then we're gonna mix it again until everything is incorporated, guys. And from there we'll add some water for it to be a little bit loosen, because now it's a little bit thick because of all the ingredients that we've added in. I'm going to add in 100 milliliters of water, and then we'll mix it again. And then I'm going to now add in the chopped habanero pepper to spice it up, guys. If you don't want it spicy, you don't need to add it in. Add some smoked fish for a delicious and unique taste. A handful of pre-cooked prawns. Actually, I should have added a lot of prawn, but this is what we got from the market. It was all finished. It was just a handful we got. It would anyway taste good and bring out a beautiful taste. After all that, guys, we're now going to add in our seasoning, which is 2 Maggi cubes to taste. If you have your own seasoning, you can add it in, and then we add in a cup of palm oil. Not too much of palm oil, it's just to give it a beautiful color and that palm oil taste. If you don't eat palm oil, you can use just olive oil. It goes perfectly well, but you won't get that beautiful color. That orange color you won't get, because it's because of the palm oil that gives it that beautiful and attractive color. After everything is incorporated, guys, commence the folding process of the mixture within the banana leaves, as I am doing right now. You can make it as big as you want it or as small as you want it. It's up to you. And you fold it as I have done, and then put it on the steamer. You're gonna assemble them on the steamer until we do the whole lot. Please ensure that the banana leaves remain intact. They should not be broken. If they are broken, you do like I'm doing right now. Keep on going with that same procedure until you finish the whole lot. The banana leaves would impart a delightful flavor to the moi moi. Guys, it is truly delightful and captivating to utilize natural ingredients. It's worth it. It doesn't matter how long it takes, it's worth it. The shooting of the video is currently in Gambia right now. As you can see, the sunlight, the sun is shining, the birds are singing. If you are interested in making Moimoi or Olele, this is a procedure that you can follow step by step. I am going to use a wide and deep pot with enough water to steam the contents. Steaming time of the contents would be like 45 to 50 minutes. And then don't forget to wrap a very long cloth around the pot and the steamer to trap the steam from escaping. As you can see, the steam is coming from different directions through the hole. So we're gonna use a cloth or a towel, a damp towel, and then cover the contents tight like I am doing right now. And then we're going to use a cover that would close the whole steamer so that the steam would not escape. After doing all that, now we're going to use the cover. As you can see, this one is exactly the size that we need. And then we leave it now to steam on low heat for 45 to 50 minutes. Yes guys, after 45 to 50 minutes, we're gonna check the status of the moi moi. Wow, we remove the cover and then remove the cloth. Guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna taste good, guys. It's gonna be yummy. Unfold the moi moi to check and see if it's properly cooked. Wow, guys, look at that. If it looks like this, then it's ready. It should be firm. When you touch it, it's firm. We're now gonna remove them, and then what else, guys? It's just for you to serve your moi moi and relish the delectable experience. Yummy goodness. So guys, this is all what I have for you today from Jestina's kitchen, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like and share to help my channel grow. Stay blessed. Bye. See you next week in another edition.